What's up, my beauties? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, guys, so in today's video is actually meant for the guys, okay, for your strengths, you know what I'm saying, and for the increments of strength for your partner. Okay, so this is actually very natural. You might be like, it's not gonna work. Is one of her remedy. Trust me, try it. It's going to work, okay, and you are gonna be loving it. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then let's go. So guys, we're gonna be needing egg, and if you're not a fan of raw egg, man, this remedy is not going to be working really fine for you. You would have to be a fan of raw egg for you to achieve this natural energy drink for men. Okay, so we're gonna be needing 1 egg, and you're gonna be breaking in the egg. And then you're going to be pouring it into the cup, and then stir it. And the next one you're going to be needing is milk. Okay, so you're going to be needing fresh milk, and then you're going to turn the milk into the cup, and then you're going to stir it again. This is a combination of milk and egg. So you're also going to be needing honey. Yeah, so you're going to be needing fresh and undiluted. So you're going to be turning the egg into this cup. Sorry, the honey. Yeah, I called it the egg. Okay, you're going to be turning the honey, and now you have 3 ingredients in here. Okay, egg, milk and honey. Now you need more ingredients, okay, so we're coming by. Now after you've put in all of the natural ingredients in here, you're not even going to be feeling the taste of the raw egg, so continue watching and make sure to watch till the end. So the next ingredients you're going to be needing is onion. Yeah, and how we're going to be preparing the onion is that we are going to be grating it. So after pressing the onion, then you have to transfer it, and then you sieve it out. Now you have to make sure to get a red onion, okay? So this, I have the juice of the onion, and it's actually very red. So what you're gonna do now is to transfer that into the mix, and you mix it all up. It's gonna be looking brownish like chocolates, okay? Now that is what I have now, chocolate color. and it remains just one ingredient. Okay, all right, let's get that. So the last ingredient is ginger. Now this will help you boost you very well as a man, and it's going to help you regain strength. Okay, so we're going to be preparing it. We're going to scrape it. Okay, so I'm going to be scraping this off the camera, and I will be right back when I'm done scraping and washing it. Yeah, I will be right back. Alright, so this is the ginger, and you just need just a little piece. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you can either crate it or you just blend it. Okay, so crating ginger is usually very easy for me. So alright, to get the juice out of ginger, you have to pour in just a little bit of water, and then we'll have to mix it, and then you sieve it out. So now we have the ginger juice, and we're going to be turning that into this drink. Okay, so this is a pure chocolate color that it gave us. Okay, so we have in here onion, egg, milk, ginger, and honey. Okay, so this is a natural strength drink for a man. Okay, if you want to get into intimate with your woman, you mix all of this and drink it, and you are gonna be like a lion. Okay, so this is actually very healthy, and it's also very natural, and it works really well. So go try it out. Okay, and everything in here are natural. So that's it, guys. You know, take it just like Abella said, and it's actually very healthy. And also you have to reduce the consumption of alcohol and soda, you know, and sugary stuff, you know, for you to be really strong. Okay, as a man you have to be strong, because we ladies like it strong. It doesn't matter if you stay 10 hours or 5 minutes. What matters is that, are you strong? You know what I mean? So that's it, guys. Take this ingredient and you're gonna be loving it. So if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.